Rapper crapper, him a the real godfather. The struggle real, but we have to go and hold the order.
You don't know, so the struggle is real, my beautiful people. Hope each and every one of you bless and that's more health and more strength. Right about now, if you know say you lost somebody, or you know somebody who lost somebody, a family member, even a friend, you understand when you click share on the video. And more you also comments under the comments signs of time, because you see now the time that we are living in, them say are the last days. You understand? Them say are the last days, are end of time. So them say that's the reason why so much things are going. Son a kill them mother, father a kill them son a kill them father. You see me? Man a kill them wife, man a kill them pick me. You understand? And you know, in a relationship, you're supposed to cherish a relationship. You choose a person and say you're going to spend the rest of your life with that person. You're supposed to love, support, and support your family that both of you are building. But in this time, we realize, and what sister watch you now, two person supposed to be in love, and two person supposed to care for each other. And when you check it out, you hear upon the show, one will kill the next one. Even a few days ago, me also upload a missing girl photo on my Facebook page, even in my YouTube community. Yesterday, the news come in, they find her dead. You see me? So it's like there's a trend where the man them a capture the kidnap the woman them, kill the woman them, dash them away in a bush like say them on a human being. Like there's nothing to them about humanity. Like them a rubbish, them a trash. You see me I say, and them think the earth with art, especially when we know say a mother pass off, left her younger daughter, left them younger son, left them children them. You know nice, you know pretty. That's why I ask you, make sure you comment and also share the video here. Signs of Time, IPD Green. People want you listen to this song clearly. Listen to this song clearly and show your support and show your love to the artist. Signs of Time. Listen.
Hey, hey, it's IPD again. No, no, no. Signs of Time. Hey, signs of time. Hey, put down the knife, put down the gun. Let us unite and have some fun. Signs of time. Say signs of time. Hey, put down the knife, put down the gun. Let us unite and have some fun. Signs of time. Say signs of time. Hey, signs of time. Signs of time. Signs of time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wake up in the morning, killing off your brothers. Get up in the evening, shooting off your sisters. The sun.
Wheel and come again, pull up that blow. I mean, I tell you what the artists also sound like Jack your people. Jesus, peace. Yo, you hear the melody, you hear the flow, you hear how the artists I deliver. Oh my days, IPD Green, yo pupa, the one here is a banger. And when I say it's a banger, the song here have whole of reality. You have lots of facts in it. Look how the youths them nowadays are killing each other. Look how the youths them nowadays are killing each other. The youths them last, there's something what them call name love. The brotherly love something, they don't have no brotherly love something. And the quickest thing for them take a life. No, they might make it look like say there's no value to life. And we know say anything on this earth, anything on this planet can replace, apart from one thing, our life. When a man take your life, you know, or take your family member, or take anybody where you know life, you know, that life gone for good, you know. Bird can't blow back, you know. Anything else can replace. But these youths, these people nowadays, some of them value them here, some of them value them gears, some of them value everything. And also put everything above humanity. Put everything above life. Above life, you know. You know, so once you have life, anything is possible. But them take away all the possibilities. Because they quick to take away your life and them not feel no way. And them not care. Upon the next hand, you also have the people as well. Where if you not depend on them doorstep, them not give a damn. Even when them know what go on and know where the destruction is coming from. And also know who caused the destruction. Them no business. Them no care. Once not affect them. As Mr. People, it's always good to be aware of what's going on and know what's going on and help if you can before you reach my doorstep. When you reach my doorstep, it goes too late. Signs of time. Listening tune.
Signs of time. All the signs of time. Wait. One man to a woman, one woman to a man. So let us unite and live as one. Signs of time. Say signs of time. Wait. Signs of time. Signs of time. Signs of time. Me say the youths them willing to rob for a shilling and kill all the woman and the kids. Them signs of time. No, no.
Shoot!
No, 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 no. Signs of time. Signs of time, yeah. No, no. Hey, if you check all history of America, you know, sister, yes, a global warning. You know, see all the flood destroy Texas. You know, sister, gotta come for this world. It's signs of time, yeah. No, no. Signs of time, yeah. Oh God, signs of time, no, no, no. Hey, you know what Charlie News and I watch? We about to approach World War III. Gotta come, can't you see? Who knocks? God for mercy, signs of time, yeah.
Listen me, send myself right now if you ask God for mercy. Enough youths and enough people right now. I grew up and not have no belief. Enough of them out there and not have no belief. They not believe in nothing. Do what I say them not do? Them not believe in nothing. So it don't make sense to tell them about no God. It don't make sense to tell them about no creator. Because give a joke. And you see when a man lost them belief, they lost themselves. And that's why more time we see so much gruesome killing go on. And that's why more time we see so much killing go on. Even in our beautiful little island, Jamaica. And something we are going worldwide. But in our little island, it come like it's a disease. It is a disease. You see me? What seems like that spread worse and worse each and every year. It seems like there is no calm to this disease. It can't stop spread. Once you lost your belief, you think no good again. You have to believe in something. Me not tell yourself go believe in a God. But me believe in the creator and there's a creator. You understand? You have to look within yourself and know where your beliefs lie and know what to believe. Me can't come bombard it on your force down for what to believe in. But you have to believe in something. Because if you don't believe in something, yo, you become a menace to society. Times have signs. Signs of time. Jesus, me so flip. Yo! Signs of time. People, listen.
No, no. Signs of time, yeah. Oh God. Signs of time.
Promotion effect.
No, no. One man to a woman, one woman to a man. So let us unite and live as one. Signs of time. No, no. Signs of time. Say signs of time. Hey, signs of time. Signs of time. Signs of time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh God. Signs of time.
You know what them rapper? Yo, people.
No.
People. As me I say, the moral of the story is the ending is near. But not because the ending is near or whether or not the ending is near. We should show so much hate towards each other. We should destroy each other so much. Now our time, and it's still the time for us to look out for each other. to build each other, to make each other stronger as a people. And remember one thing, love is the answer. Love is the key. IPD Green artist, I love the song. Yeah. The video is a simple video. You understand, you know, got to watch on the video and it's good if you shoot the video when you don't a yard see. But hey, we don't ask nothing about that. But you don't know, so it's a visual where everybody can see and say no, so that are the artists. And you still do your thing. You understand, we have to give you props. But for the song here, me rapper crapper, me I give you 11 out of 10. Me talk got school long time, so you understand, me I give you 11 out of 10. And that's the thing there. Because the song here is something each and every one of you guys can relate to. Allow me to tell, as I say, leave comment signs of time in the comment section. And you can also comment as well, RIP to your family or friend, pass and gone in this dreadful time. And don't forget to go and check out the artist songs them on YouTube or every available social media. Find them on Facebook, find them on Instagram. You don't know, say IPD Green. And that's the artist thing there. The love is real. Rapper represent for Jam Style. Just go and check out www.jamstyle.com.